guys, so I wanted to come on real quick and do a review on this beautiful outdoor lighting I just got from Amazon, and I can't wait to tell you guys all about it. This thing is gorgeous from the second you see it. It's made out of metal material and it has beautiful seated glass that covers the light. I'm in love with this thing. This light fixture is so modern. It's gonna look beautiful on your patio, your balcony, outdoor, front door, back door, all of those things. This is gonna look beautiful hanging as a wall sconce. So it's going to give off amazing light at the same time of decorating your home. One of the features that I love about this, you guys, is aside from this being a metal, black, matte, beautiful wall sconce, is that it's constructed with really sturdy material. So this is gonna help withstand from all of the harsh conditions that weather comes your way. So rain, snow, it doesn't matter. This is gonna also have an anti-rust performance. So again, you don't have to worry about what the weather's like in the outside. It's going to brighten up your balcony, brighten up your outdoor area at the same time of withstanding all of the harsh weather conditions. So another really cool feature that I love, you guys, is that the bottom is open. So it's going to be for easy bulb replacement. You don't have to take anything apart. You stick your hand up there and take it, which I absolutely love. So this comes with an LED test bulb. So you can test out to see what bulb you want, and you can change between warm, cool, or outdoor lighting. So I really love that because you can pick what bulb that you want to have on your outdoor wall sconce. You guys, this is so easy to install. I'm gonna go do it outside right now, hang it up. The hardware's included, so I'm gonna go do that and then show you guys what it looks like. Guys, I always like to show the product up close. This is before me installing it, and I just wanna show you how beautiful the detail is. Like I said, the seated glass and the matte black. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay guys, here it is installed during the day. You can see how beautiful it is. It looks great on the side of the door. It's bright even though it is during the day, and I absolutely love this. It's modern and it's gonna withstand the weather. Okay guys, now that it's dark, I wanted to show you how bright and beautiful it still shines at nighttime. I love that it's on the side of the door in the back, so I don't have to fiddle with my keys and look for the light. This is just gonna be shining. I love the color. I love how modern it is. Super easy to install, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys learned something in this video. Go buy yourselves your own beautiful outdoor lighting just like me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
At Euri Lighting, we believe it's more than just light. It's safety and comfort and closeness. All of the things that transform houses into homes. To us, it's the memories made in those few extra minutes before bedtime. Little moments with people you love the most.